Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Back in our beautiful city of Hyderabad. Just heading out to give this bike for a slight checkups and also get it washed and also get the number plates affixed. I've completed 5,735 kilometers. Out of that, 5,000 probably is the Sikkim trip. Long trip, but quite memorable. And I got some updates about my knee. I've had two opinions at two different doctors. Both of them suggested the same. I need a reconstructive surgery for my ACL. Could probably get it done in a month or so. Just here to get my number plate affixed. Finding a spot to get inside. I hope they're doing it today. Just got done with a regular checkup and look how clean the bike is. Oh man, it's been here at the showroom for almost 4-5 days. Ooh, feels nice to be back on the bike. Nice. Need to fuel up. And there were apparently few spokes in the front wheel which were loose, so got those tightened. I don't anticipate any rides on this bike for a while because around first or second week I'm getting the surgery for my knee. Have to admit guys, this bike is quite fun to ride in the city. Ooh, missing the road trip, man. Was riding this almost every day. That's what I want to do, just be on the road, come home once every 2-3 months, spend maybe few weeks and then hit the road again. By the time I'm fit and confident enough to ride a bike, it will be summer and it's too hot to ride in the summers, man. Now the question is, what should I do with my street wind? This is meant for touring, so all the tours it's going to be on this bike. We're doing very few breakfast rides these days, so it would be probably once or twice or max 3 times in an year. That's when I would probably get a chance to take the street wind. I don't see any point for the street wind because I can't take it to, let's say, the KBR park for a run, because I usually do my runs in shorts or even the gym runs, because that's too much of a bike for just gym runs. Apache is a much more comfortable bike for the city, but man, street wind is a classic, modern classic, and there's a different feel to that bike whenever you ride it. Suddenly getting onto this bike, I can put both my legs easily. In fact, I can stand upright without sitting on the bike here. Miss this bike so much, so just wanted to take it out for a spin. Time to open the beast. That sound. But the position on this bike for my knees is not as comfortable as on the 850, so I'm bending them much more, so I don't think I can ride more than half an hour. So I'll probably just hit a coffee shop, chill, and then maybe meet one or two of my friends who are free to come out. The amazing advantage of this bike is just how low you sit on the ground, and in that sense you get a lot of confidence in terms of the balance. This bike always gives me that smile on my face if I take it after, like, say 3 weeks or 4 weeks. There have been so many thoughts in my head about whether should I keep just one bike, the 850, and sell this one, but every time I ride this I'm like, have to admit, man, this is such a therapeutic bike. Like, you can happily chill, relax on this bike at these speeds, and whenever you find open stretches, you can just give enough throttle and it would just go. I'm in what, bloody second gear. Yeah, my heart says don't sell this bike. My mind and my wallet says maybe you should. So let me think about it. And this is a stretch that I just love on this bike. There was hardly any air. It was showing 13 psi. That was too low. Hence the reason I found it little strange in the grip levels, but got it topped up. The front was okay. The rear was pretty low. That's what happens when you don't take it out. Oh, there is a lot of difference on the bike now. Hey guys, just here at Cafe Nilofer in Banjara Hills. Just opened recently, looks quite good. Just waiting for Aditya to join me. Had one of the most expensive chais I ever had in a while. 120 rupees for a special Cafe Nilofer chai. It just felt like Irani chai, guys. Roadside wala 20 rupees mein milte na. Same icy taste. Osmania biscuits were nice though. And those were free complimentary on since it was the second day they opened. Time to enjoy this KBR stretch on this lovely bike. Time to meet the next batch of friends. This is a stretch where you can feel the torque of the bike doing amazing job. And that sound. Just 4 or 5 years back, this area used to look deserted. The skyline of Hyderabad is pretty much this if you're coming from the airport. It has changed drastically over the last 5 years. Amazing in the night time. And these are the 3 new idiots that I met after Aditya. He's playing for the first time. So, good return. He's playing well. Well, I can't play. I'm just a referee right now. And then maybe dinner. Tintam, podkodam, tirigam. Every Saturday. వీళ్ళు ఆడుతుర్రు నేను చూస్తున్నా ఇంకో నెల 2 నెలలు ఇదే పరిస్థితి అన్నమాట. And after the game, this is how we end the day with dinner here at Sardarji's. One amazing place for paradas or Punjabi food.
మీ పేరేంటి? మిమ్మల్ని జాక్సన్, మైకేల్ జాక్సన్.
ఏది డిస్కౌంటా? ఎట్లా కొంటున్నాం తెలుసా?
Yeah, this is the third,
We're
fourth
buying
delivery.
like chocolates.
Fourth delivery.
What made you buy the 1250 GS?
My passion for bikes.
Okay, what do you like about 1250?
Price.
Okay, how much was it?
Not much.
So it's 25 lakhs 71,000. That's the on-road price. Add accessories, it would be 27 lakhs. Currently unboxing चल रहा है अभी, but lovely color यार. Kishore, congratulations.
Best ever I've ever seen.
Thank you.